Hi Kelsey! So today we are going to do some math, and so I'm here to help you practice counting coins. And so we are going to practice something that we've done in the past. Instead of counting coins that are different, we're going to practice counting coins that are the same today. Okay? And then in a couple of days we're going to go back to counting coins that are different. But I want us to do this skill, practice this skill that we already know so that we don't forget it, okay? So, the first thing that we're going to start with, okay, make sure that you're listening. The first thing that we're going to start with is pennies, okay? So, we know that pennies are worth how much? I want you to answer this for me. Think about it and answer. Pennies are worth how much? I'll give you a second to think about it. Okay, you should have said 1 cent. Okay, if you did, great job. Pennies are worth 1 cent. Okay, so I have a couple pennies here. So I'm going to put these pennies in my hand, in my right hand. So as I switch these pennies to my left hand, we're going to count. So if we know pennies are worth 1 cent, what should we be counting by? I want you to answer that. I'll give you a second to think about it and answer. If pennies are worth 1 cent, what should we be counting by? Good, we should be counting by ones. You should have said ones, okay? So I'll have these pennies in my hand, okay? And we're going to switch them to this hand until they're all gone. We're going to be counting by ones, okay? Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So how much money do I have? Okay, you should have said 8 cents. Okay, I have 8 cents in my hand. Okay? Good job, Kelsey. Alright, so we're going to move on to nickels. Okay, this one's a little bit trickier. Okay, nickels are worth how much? I want you to answer this. Think about it and answer. Okay, awesome. You should have said 5 cents. Nickels are worth 5 cents. Okay, so I have some nickels here with me. I don't know if you could see them. So I'm going to put nickels in this hand. So if nickels are worth 5 cents, what should we count by? Think about it and answer. Great, we should count by fives, okay? So I'm going to put these nickels in this hand. I'm going to switch them to this and we're going to count by fives. Okay, ready? 5, 5, 10, 15. Okay, so how much money do I have? Awesome. We have 15 cents. Okay? So that's what I want you to do on this next assignment. I want you to go through that same exact process. So I want you to think. First, I want you to say, what is this coin? So you would say, this is a penny. And then you would ask, how much is a penny worth? You'd say, it's worth 1 cent. So we count by ones, and then you would count 1, 2, okay? And then if you had a coin like this, you would first identify what the coin is. So you would say, this is a nickel, right? A nickel is worth how much? Good, it's worth 5 cents. And then you would tell yourself, so I count by 5s, right? And then you would go on to count by 5s because all the coins that we're counting today are the same. So we count by 5s when we see all the same coins that are nickels, okay? So that's what we're going to do today. Okay, you got this, girly.